Our mission here at Cornea Revolution-Motwani LASIK Institute is to advance the state of the art and how we can actually enhance the ocular focusing system. And that really plays two parts, right? One part is the Cornea Revolution side, where we are fixing damaged corneas, damaged by disease such as keratoconus or corneal ectasia, damaged by trauma or infection such as people who have herpes zoster infections, people who have infections from bacteria on the cornea that leave scars, damage from past surgery such as radiokeratotomy or past LASIK or past RK. How to use our technology that's available today and develop new procedures and technologies to help those patients recover normal vision, close to normal vision, without having to resort to such things as cornea transplants, and to make permanent solutions to actually help these people. And the second part of it is how we can use such technologies to make better vision for those people who haven't had surgery or anything else, what we call primary patients, or wearing glasses, wearing contacts. And really, laser vision correction has been an equivalent. No, we want to make it better. In other words, once you have a correction on your eyes, we want your system to work better than human normal, to be cleaner, clearer, sharper, to have to compensate less with your brain, so it actually feels less pressure and it's just easier. And that's what we're looking for here, to make better than normal human corneas, to make better than normal human vision, to make better focusing systems. And we have the technology to do it, and when we don't, we're creating it.